Welcome to my channel, and here I will introduce my night skincare routine.
I'm 40 in my right car. Business change, yeah, I like I ain't always. Getting money, nigga, that my main.
Before I start my routine, I will brush and then wash my face with the Biotic Papaya face wash. Let's start my night routine. First step, plum toner. Second step, and it's also from Plum brand, and it's an eye serum, and you guys can have this from Nika, and I just love this product. After 5 or 10 minutes, I will do my third step, and that is Kiko Milano night cream. After moisturizer, the fourth step, that is lip balm or lip moisturizer from Body Shop, and it's a hemp, and it's really nice for me, and I hope you guys will also like this product. Now I will repeat my step. First, plum toner. Second, plum eye serum. Third, that is bright night lift moisturizer. And the last step, lip balm from Body Shop. Thanks for watching. Some of my recent Instagram pictures. Subscribe for more. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.